I would like to welcome to Central River.
The Four
Mr.
Corners,
Lewis. Thank you, Four Corners. I'm from Four Corners.
Fort Bend County.
Fort Bend County.
All right, the four
Thank
W's.
you. Thank you, sir. Four W. Thank you.
Where are we today? Brazos Bend. So where are we today? Brazos Bend State Park.
And we're with the 4W.
And 4W. There you go.
And 4 Corners.
Okay. All right. Where are we from today, guys? Ladies. Four Corners. What county are we in? Is this the best precinct in the country? Yes. The best seniors? Yes. All right.
Senior Center.
Yeah, Four Corners
Four
Community
Corners.
Center in Fort
Yeah.
Bend. So here's the
Here is
the
a very-
seniors winning hats, all of them having a
Yeah.
fun time out here.
She
in
is a winner,
Brazos Bend Park.
Winnie.
Waiting to get
Who
ready for the
Winnie is a
archery.
winner.
And archery's next.
Archery's next.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect.
I am Sam. I'm a TikToker. I would like to welcome to Central River.
The Four
Mr.
Corners,
Lewis. Thank you, Four Corners. I'm from Four
Fort
Corners.
Bend County.
Fort Bend County.
All right, the four
Thank you.
W's.
Thank you, sir. Four W. Thank you.
Okay, I won.
Yeah, come on.
Look at
Count to 15, Karen.
15, 20, no problem.
It's on 9.
Thank you. Thank you.